Alright, what's up guys? So today I took an L, a big L, not a regular L. I blew the account basically. Now I'll explain in details everything and make sure you guys watch till the end. I'll be showing you guys all through the video some important stuff. If you want to, watch it. And yeah, so I blew my Take Profit Pro account. Okay, now I still have resets on it, which I'll use Monday. I'll use it. Why did I blow the account? Basically nonsense. I overtraded on the last day because we have like 4 days off, right? So I overtraded with no setup, no nothing, and blew the account. Now I know what I did wrong. I know if I keep doing it, I'll just won't scale up in trading. Okay, I know that, so I'll be careful and I'll be better for sure. Now, yesterday's video I made it private. I was just talking nonsense, to be honest. No point of even watching it, so I made it private. No need. Basically, I removed Asia session. I was just trading on 30-minute, doing nonsense. This weekend I'll be backtesting like the whole month just to make sure that the strategy works still. And yeah, basically everything. So I did some changes. Like I said, I'll be backtesting to make sure, but I did some changes, and in this video I'll do a recap on everything from Monday to today on my 5-minute strategy. Okay, so that's basically what's gonna happen. Now I am disappointed in myself, I'll be honest. I started it off very nicely. Monday I won. I requested a payout from Friday. Everything was nice. Then I got humbled real quick. I was thinking, oh, trading so easy. I'm gonna just go 30-minute, do the bare minimum, and just lost. I was still respecting my rule. Took one trade, which L. And today was the last day before the weekend. And I just took 3 trades, no setup, no nothing, lost everything. Now, I was mad for an hour and so, but it is what it is, you know? Either I keep going, doing the same mistakes, or I do better. And I know I can do better. I proved it to myself. I got a payout. I got funded in the first week. Like, I know what I'm doing works. Some reason, this past 2 days, I just, no comments, you know? Overtraded. I need to stop. 1 trade a day. 100% sure. That's it. So yeah, I'll be backtesting everything here. If you guys want to subscribe, it would mean a lot for me. And like I said, if I was you guys, I would stick, if you guys are using my strategy, which I'll explain in details in this video again, because there's some tweak that we need to do. And yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so let's start. Now, before I start, I will say it again. I'll be backtesting to make sure. But as of right now, Asia session, London session, previous days highs and low, we mark them. Gaps, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30-minute to adjust them, refine them, okay? 5-minute, like always, entry, confirmation, rejection, whatever. RR, 1, 2, 3 only. No break even, no nothing. Either I win, either I lose. No, 1 trade a day, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1 trade a day, that's it. Because I'm leaving too much on the table, and all, like, when I make profit, always in 5-minute I get my 1 to 2, right? I was backtesting a little. 1 to 3, very easy. I can do that very easily, and the account will grow faster, and I could afford to lose more, but like I said, at the end of the day, I just need to not go on tilt. And yeah, so I know that I can do it in trading. I prove it to myself. I just got humbled by the market. I'll do better from the next week, and yeah, that's basically. Let's start. Okay, So like always, we mark the sessions. We check if there's any gap. If you guys can't seem to find any gaps, so you check on the 4 hour, there wasn't any for Monday. What you do, you just zoom in, okay? Zoom in like that. Not like that, like that. Do you see anything that stands out? I already see this. You mark it up. That's it. Now with practice, it's gonna be better. And like always, a lot of strategy works, right? But nothing is perfect. Of course, we're gonna have losing days, but as long as the winners are more, we'll be all right. So we marked all the gap, go on to 30 minute. 30 minute, what we do, we adjust the gap on the 30 minute. So we need common sense too. We can put it right there. Okay, works. We have a rejection right there. The gap seems like it's working. Is there any other place that's better? Let's slide it over. Oh, here is better. Rejection, 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 rejection. So I'll leave it right there. Even if it's not correct, my trading strategy on the 5 minute will tell me if I don't get the rejection that I'm looking for, okay? Let's keep going. Let's adjust this. 5 minute. So now I need to know personally, so I know that I'm going to be aiming for a 1 to 3. I know that I'm going to stick with my strategy, my rules, right? Now there's one thing I need to figure out. Can I trade 9:25 and later, or can I start trading, looking for trade at 9? Okay, that's something that I'll backtest with data to see which one is better. But as of right now, let's say we trade as soon as it's 9, we trade, okay? This I won't count as a rejection. I need clear rejection. This is no rejection, nothing, nothing, nothing. This is perfect. 9:25, we tap the zone, we reject perfectly. 9:30, we're in. Perfect. 1 2 3, not even 5 minutes later, I got it. Done. Like I said, we only take one trade a day. I'm not gonna break even, nothing. That's it. I'll show you guys what this did, but we stick to our initial trade. If we miss it, we miss it. That's it. We just come back the next day and trade again. So this is the initial trade. Now let me show you the gap. 30 minute, we adjusted the gap, right? Look at this right there. Fill in the gap, rejects. Perfect, this is confirmed. 9:45, we're in. Now we're not gonna be in because this was our trade right there. But I'm just showing you guys how the gap works now. So yeah, we're in 1 to 3, 5 minutes later. Okay, why should I stick to 1 to 2 if I can make 1 to 3 easily? Now you may say, okay, why not 1 to 4? 1 to 3 is perfect. The account will keep growing. I can even request payout. It won't affect the account. If I win one trade, I can lose up to 3 trades to just go back to break even. That's perfect. All right. I don't know why I'm drinking so much water, but okay. My voice is kind of, I don't know, raspy, whatever. I don't know the word in English. All right. Tired, maybe. Same thing. Asia high, Asia low, London high, London low. Perfect. Any gaps? Now, I'm used to trade with gaps, right? But if you guys want to make sure, zoom in, go on the 4 hour, whatever. I see this gap right there already. Pretty obvious, we have rejection right there. Any other gaps? Right there. Did I mark it? No, no need. Right now, as we're backtesting, we already see that it didn't tap in, so I just won't mark it. Same thing as the previous day's highs. Highs and lows. So 30 minute. What we do, adjust the 30 minute. Where does it make more sense? Now, obviously, this is the 1 hour. I could say, oh, right there, but this doesn't make sense, right? Because right there we have rejection. I know, but on the 30-minute, we need to adjust it, no matter what. Now, you could still leave this. You could still leave this. But when you see the rejection on the 5-minute, this is where you take your trade. Even if I left this is so close to London low, London high that I wouldn't even think about the gap. I would just aim for the this zone, okay? 5-minute. So yeah, let's see. Sorry guys. So right there, obviously, the trade happened before 9:30, okay? So this is why I'm saying, but I think I'm just gonna stick to my route, which I was doing from when I started YouTube, okay? So which is like 2 months ago. Just stick to my 5-minute strategy, whatever, and we should be good. 9:05. I won't count this as a rejection. This is so close to the line. I won't count it. Okay, let me just adjust this. 9:15. Rejected. 9:20. Rejected. Okay, that's decent. 9:25. We're in. We need to be in. 1, 2, 3. 5, 10. 10 minutes later, we got our profit. So this is on the, what is this, mini? On the mini NQ, which I'm trading, one contract would be $500. Times 3, that's 1.5 for one contract. Perfect. Like I said, this is the initial trade. Now this seems like a trade, right? 9:30, rejected off London high. No, the trade already happened. That's it. That's what I'm saying. For this specific strategy, either you're done early, you win early, or you lose early. That's it. If you miss it, you miss it. Just go back to sleep, honestly. But yeah, I'll show you guys the gap. You know, maybe once the initial trades happen, it happens, but for gaps, it's still valid. I think that's something though. Gaps, 950, 955, we're in, we're done. But a 1, 2, 3 right there wouldn't have worked. So we're in at 955. 1 to 2, perfect. 1, 2, 3, no. Do I care? No, this is the initial trade anyway. So from now on, I'll just show you guys the initial trade. That's it. No need to show anything else. Like I said, if you guys are enjoying this, subscribe. Like I said, I'm just documenting my journey. And I'm telling you guys, I'll be successful in trading. You guys will see. Soon enough, daily payouts, max allocation, everything. Trust me. Tuesday is done. So that's what already. Let's say I'm risking 2 contracts. So 1K for 3K. So that's 6K. So that's 6K already. With 2 contracts. Okay, so same shit. Gap right there, very obvious, very obvious. Now, for more experienced trader, right there, there's a gap too, okay? We just mark it. Even if you're not sure, just mark it. On the 5-minute, if you see rejection, you'd be happy that you marked it. If you didn't mark it, you wouldn't know. Gap, London low. 30-minute. So if you guys are using my strategy, this is perfect for you guys, okay? Adjust it. Adjust it. 5-minute. We are Wednesday. Do I need to say anything, guys? You can't get a better entry than that, I swear. 9:25, confirmation. 30, we're in. 1, 2, 3, no problem. 5 minutes later, we got it. Wow. The other gap, which wasn't obvious, So let's say we didn't mark it, but it's here. We can see 35, 40, right there. More experience, the more easy you guys can see the gaps later on, okay? Perfect. This one was pretty obvious. Mark it up. We're done. 5 minutes later, we're done. 3K profit. We're up 9K on the week USD. Obviously, seems easy backtesting, right? In the live market, I'll probably will fumble marking something else or anything, but you guys see what I'm saying. Practice would make everything perfect. I don't know what I was doing this week. 5-minute strategy works so good. I don't know what I was doing. Thursday, today, last day. Same thing, just mark everything up. Fair value gap, right there, obviously. Is there any other? Obviously 4 hour was right there. 1 hour, adjusted, 30 minute. Where does this gap seems more correct to put it at? Right there. Makes sense. Am I gonna put it here? No. Why? We have London low right there. Why would I put it there? Okay, put it back. This is the 1 hour. Where can I start it over? Makes sense. Right there. Perfect, makes sense. Obviously, right there is the perfect answer. But right there is where we got the most rejection, which I would place right there. 5 minute. No trade. Break of structure of the London low. No worries. 935, 940, 945. Hit. I'm just thinking what I was doing this whole week. Monday I got my profit, my payout. I was thinking just, okay, I'm the shit and everything. I just throw out my whole strategy, didn't trade it. I will do better. 935 rejection, so we confirmed this line. 940 we're in. 945 we nearly got stopped out, but we're good. That's why you don't break even. You lose, you win. Oh, but I could have break even. Who cares? You have a 1, 2, 3. Doesn't matter. It's still a win anyway. 10 minutes later, 5, 10, 15 minutes later, profit. 1, 2, 3. We're done for the day. Enjoy the weekend. Wow. If you guys made it all the way to this video, to the end of this video, I want to see who are actually watching till the end, okay? So in the comment, I want you to guys say, I will do better, okay? So like that. I will do better. Just type this in the comment, just so I know who actually watches till the end and who doesn't, you know, who just clicks off. Now I understand, maybe people don't trade my strategy or whatever, so they click off, but I just want to see who actually watches. I will do better in the comment. Simple, like that. Now, I'm full transparent. I'll show you guys. My XFA was blown. I'll reset it Monday. I will trade correctly, exactly what I'm showing you guys. This week, like I said, I did. That was one of my best week, to be honest. I respected my rule until today, but that was perfect. So yeah, I will do better, and I'll see you guys Monday. See you guys.